Let me introduce myself. My name is Zaini Dahlan. Here I will explain about IT system. Okay, the user wants me to create a detailed explanation about IT system with 4 specific subtopics. Let me start by breaking down each part. First, hardware specification. I need to list the main component like CPU, RAM, storage, GPU, motherboard, PSU, and peripheral. I should explain each component's role and give examples of common specs for different user level, like basic office use versus gaming. Using terms like first to structure this section is important. Next, instruction for using a GUI. The user mentioned step by step with words like next, and then I should outline the basic step: turning on the device, logging in, navigation, the desktop using the mouse and keyboard, opening application, file manager, setting, closing apps, and shutting down, maybe, and tips like right click function and keyboard shortcut here. Third, different multimedia type. This include text, image, audio, video, and animation. I need to describe each type. Third, common format and use. See examples using terms like third to introduce this section and ensure its multimedia type is clearly exemplified with example like JPG, MP3, MP4, etc. 4. OS installation. The user wants a detailed with her. I should include preparation steps like backing up update and data, creating a bootable USB, entering BIOS setting, partitioning the disk, installing the OS, using setup, post installing step like driver update and software installation. Also, the user mentioned to like the previous response longer and more detailed. I should explain each section with more example, specification, and perhaps troubleshooting tips where relevant. For example, in hardware specs, adding more detail about different types of storage, HDD versus SSD versus NVMe, and their use cases in GUI, instruction including keyboard shortcut, and maybe some troubleshooting steps if something goes wrong. In multimedia type, explain the difference between raster and vector image, Lucy versus Lucy audio format, and video coded for OS installation, adding more detail about I need BIOS and UEFI setting, partitioning schemas and post installation, adding more detail about I need to ensure that it's in multimedia type, explaining the difference between rastered and vector image, lossy versus lossless audio format, and video codes. For OS installation, adding more detail about I need to ensure that each section flow logically with the transition word and then the information is convenient but still easy to understand. Let me structure each section with clear heading and bullet point where necessary to enhance readability. Also make sure technical terms are explained in simple. Finally, wrap everything up with summary that tie all the sections together, emphasizing how understanding a part contributes to effectively using and managing an IT system. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.